If YouTube isn't working on your Walton Smart TV, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent YouTube from loading properly. Restarting your router and TV can also help fix temporary connectivity issues. Next, ensure the YouTube app on your Walton Smart TV is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often have bugs that cause playback or loading problems. If the issue persists, try clearing the app's cache. Go to your TV's settings, locate the YouTube app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This removes corrupted files that may be causing the problem. If clearing the cache doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app to ensure a fresh installation. Additionally, check for firmware updates for your Walton Smart TV. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps like YouTube. If none of these solutions work, test YouTube on another device using the same network to determine if the issue is specific to your TV or related to your internet service. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.